By right-clicking on the table and going into Design View, we open up the structure we created in the previous clip. Firstly, we're going to alter the structure of the date and time field in the order to a short date, with a validation rule that prevents any date in the future being entered. It's less than or equal to date with parentheses, and the default value, most likely to be today, is equals date with parentheses. The next job is to change the length of the text fields to something slightly more believable than 255, which is the default Access provides us with. Whilst obviously your database would work with field lengths of 255, it makes any form and reports you create later on look really rather silly. '30 is probably not the best plan here, but we'll come back and change that in just a sec. Eight is a decidedly more sensible number. The majority of postcodes are 7 characters with a space in the middle. It's the 8.
Yes.
Got the 8 character field there. For those of you wondering why the home, phone, mobile and work numbers are all formatted as text fields and not numbers, the reason being that most phone numbers have either brackets or spaces included as well, and occasionally a plus sign if you're dealing with a foreign number, and you can't put those into a numerical field. The format on the email there, putting a less than symbol in, ensures that everything goes as lowercase. The shirt size and shirt type we're going to come back to later on and put lookups on. The default value of the shirt price is the price of the shirt, in this case £39.99. Payment type later on is also going to be subject to a lookup. And the default we're going to set to be debit card. Expiry date has a special format. Most are set to be 2 digits for a month and 2 for the year, which has gone in there at the top. And an input mask of 00:00, which forces the user to enter digits. No text will be allowed. And going back up to the postcodes, a greater than symbol forces capital letters to be entered. The flip side of the email trick. And that be that.
Hang on.
Save, close, finished.
Your